Newport, Melbourne. Here we've got a site that is undergoing an active assessment remediation project here. We've got, as you can see, an excavator in the background. We've removed underground storage tanks from this former fuel station. The client here is looking to convert this once industrial site to a residential, commercial site. So the plan is to, over the next 3 to 6 months, continue the extensive soil, groundwater and soil vapour assessment program. We have found there is contamination as it's expected with a fuel station site. The plan is now to remediate soil on site and prepare the soil to be disposed off site to a landfill. Currently the category of soil is quite high due to the high concentrations of BTEX, TPH, hydrocarbon compounds that are sitting in the soil. What we're going to do is use this excavator to actively turn the soil, add organics, add other things to break down and aerate the soil as much as we can. We'll then leave the soil covered over a period of time and then resample to see hopefully a decline in concentrations, and that decline in soil concentrations, which will lower the soil classification, will then make it a lot more economically viable for the client to dispose that to landfill. Then we've got to look at groundwater, soil vapour. There's health risks associated with concentrations of hydrocarbons in groundwater, so we need to assess what those risks are for potential residents who live on this site. So as part of that program, we're installing soil vapour bores on this site and around the site, and that will be used to, I guess, do some health risk assessments on potential risks to residents one day. Groundwater wells have been installed. There's one, as you can see here, groundwater well. Groundwater's sitting at about 14 metres, and we do have some potential contamination on this site. So the plan is to sample these every so often and then install other wells across the site to then remediate the groundwater. This can take a while. We're potentially moving into a QTEP process, which is a clean up to extent practicable. EPA does get involved in that process, and it can extend the duration of your assessment and remediation program. So the plan is, hopefully in the next 3 to 6 months, remediate soil, groundwater, have this site ready for a development which will be the first of its kind in this area of Newport. 6-storey apartment complex, and one day you'll see this whole area, which was once industrial, hopefully the next booming residential area. Thank you for your time.